everyone, welcome. This is Peter with DentFreeImage. Today we're going to be working on a front fender on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can see it has a very pronounced dent about the size of a baseball right through the contour line crease, and it also has a crease or a fold on the metal. Metal is stretched, as you can see it. There we go. This was caused by a person tripped and with their hand landed on the fender, creating all that damage. We're going to make it look as good as new when we are done. There's a lot going on this dent. We got the completed repair on this Grand Cherokee fender. It's another great repair. The results are amazing. As you can see, it's black is a tough color, and if it's not, if it's done and it's not done correctly by a person without the experience to complete these type of repairs, a technician, you will be able to really see a lot of the damage still on the panel. As you can see, this is as good as glass. This is a fender that most likely a body shop would replace.